Did you finish your homework before your mother came back home?
Yes, I had already finished my homework before my mother returned.
What will you be doing tomorrow evening when I call you?
I will be studying for my exam tomorrow evening when you call.
How long have you been practicing guitar before this big concert?
I have been practicing guitar for 3 months before this concert.
Were you watching television last night when the lights went off?
Yes, I was watching television last night when the lights suddenly went off.
Will you have completed the English project before the deadline arrives?
Yes, I will have completed the English project before the deadline arrives.
Do you usually drink tea in the morning before starting your work?
Yes, I usually drink tea every morning before starting my work.
What are you writing right now while sitting in the classroom?
I'm writing some important grammar notes while sitting in the classroom.
Had you already eaten your lunch when the teacher arrived suddenly?
Yes, I had already eaten my lunch when the teacher suddenly arrived.
How long will you have been living in this city next May?
I will have been living in this city for 10 years next May.
Have you ever spoken English confidently with a native English speaker?
Yes, I have spoken English confidently with a native English speaker.
Were you playing football yesterday afternoon when it started raining?
Yes, I was playing football yesterday afternoon when it suddenly started raining.
What are you going to do tomorrow afternoon with your friends?
I'm going to play football tomorrow afternoon with my close friends.
Have you already finished reading that long novel you borrowed recently?
Yes, I have already finished reading that long novel I borrowed.
Will you come to the library tomorrow and study with me?
Yes, I will come to the library tomorrow and study with you.
How long have you been learning English before joining this class?
I have been learning English for 2 years before joining this class.
Did you meet your cousin last summer when you traveled to London?
Yes, I met my cousin last summer when I traveled to London.
Will you be watching television at home when I visit tonight?
Yes, I will be watching television at home when you visit tonight.
Do you always go shopping with your parents during the weekends?
Yes, I always go shopping with my parents during the weekends.
Had you already completed the test before the teacher collected papers?
Yes, I had already completed the test before the teacher collected papers.
Have you been practicing your speaking skills every day this whole week?
Yes, I have been practicing my speaking skills every day this week.
Will you travel to Paris next year with your family and friends?
Yes, I will travel to Paris next year with my family and friends.
Were you reading a book yesterday evening when the phone rang?
Yes, I was reading a book yesterday evening when the phone rang.
Do you usually study English grammar before practicing your speaking skills?
Yes, I usually study English grammar before practicing my speaking skills.
What will you have learned by the end of this English course?
I will have learned advanced grammar by the end of this English course.
Have you ever written a long essay about your own personal life?
Yes, I have written a long essay about my personal life.
Did you already prepare for the exam before the teacher reminded you?
Yes, I had already prepared for the exam before the teacher reminded me.
What are you doing this evening when your friends are visiting?
I'm preparing dinner this evening when my friends are visiting.
Will you be attending the English seminar tomorrow morning at school?
Yes, I will be attending the English seminar tomorrow morning at school.
How long had you been waiting when the bus finally arrived?
I had been waiting for half an hour when the bus finally arrived.
Do you usually write notes carefully during every English grammar lesson?
Yes, I usually write notes carefully during every English grammar lesson.
Will you have finished your homework before your parents return tonight?
Yes, I will have finished my homework before my parents return tonight.
Were you playing the piano yesterday when your teacher called you?
Yes, I was playing the piano yesterday when my teacher called me.
Do you always check your answers carefully before submitting your tests?
Yes, I always check my answers carefully before submitting my tests.
Have you been working on that science project all this week?
Yes, I have been working on that science project all week.
Will you be meeting your cousin tomorrow at the railway station?
Yes, I will be meeting my cousin tomorrow at the railway station.
Did you already read the new English novel by your favorite author?
Yes, I already read the new English novel by my favorite author.
How long will you have been studying English by next December?
I will have been studying English for 3 years by next December.
What are you doing now while your brother is outside playing?
I'm writing in my notebook now while my brother is outside playing.
Have you ever joined an English competition at your school before?
Yes, I have joined an English competition at my school before.
Will you travel abroad with your family during the next summer vacation?
Yes, I will travel abroad with my family during the next summer vacation.
Had you already finished the meal before the guests arrived suddenly?
Yes, I had already finished the meal before the guests suddenly arrived.
What will you be doing when your friends come to visit tomorrow?
I will be preparing dinner when my friends come to visit tomorrow.
Do you usually practice English speaking with your classmates after school?
Yes, I usually practice English speaking with my classmates after school.
Were you sleeping yesterday afternoon when the heavy rain started?
Yes, I was sleeping yesterday afternoon when the heavy rain started.
Have you been listening carefully to the teacher during the entire class?
Yes, I have been listening carefully to the teacher during the entire class.
Will you have read 10 English novels before this year finally ends?
Yes, I will have read 10 English novels before this year ends.
Did you visit your uncle last year during the summer vacation?
Yes, I visited my uncle last year during the summer vacation.
Do you eat fruits every day to stay healthy and energetic?
Yes, I eat fresh fruits every day to stay healthy and energetic.
How long have you been waiting for your teacher this morning?
I have been waiting for my teacher for 20 minutes this morning.
What were you doing last night when the electricity went off?
I was reading my book last night when the electricity suddenly went off.
Will you take part in the English debate competition next week?
Yes, I will take part in the English debate competition next week.
Do you always listen carefully when your teacher explains the grammar rules?
Yes, I always listen carefully when my teacher explains the grammar rules.
Had you been studying long before your friend finally called you?
Yes, I had been studying for hours before my friend finally called me.
What are you preparing in the kitchen while your guests are waiting?
I'm preparing a delicious dinner in the kitchen while my guests wait.
Have you already written your essay for tomorrow's English language class?
Yes, I have already written my essay for tomorrow's English language class.
Will you be working in the office when your friend visits tomorrow?
Yes, I will be working in the office when my friend visits tomorrow.
Did you help your parents clean the house last Saturday afternoon?
Yes, I helped my parents clean the house last Saturday afternoon.
How long will you have been teaching when you retire from work?
I will have been teaching for 30 years when I retire from work.